5G flaws can track phone locations and fake emergency alerts. America's Purdue University and Iowa University researchers found 11 new 5G vulnerabilities. The flaws include ones that can be exploited to track a victim's real-time location, spoof emergency alerts that can trigger panic or silently disconnect a 5G-connected device from the network altogether. The researchers said some of the new attacks also could be exploited on existing 4G networks. Apple worker sends woman's intimate photo to himself from her mobile. An Apple Store employee allegedly sent himself an intimate photo of a U.S. woman from her phone after she took the device for repair. The woman said the employee asked her for her passcode twice. Apple said it had investigated the incident and called it a deeply concerning situation, adding that the worker was no longer associated with the company. Google to enter banking services. Offer checking accounts from 2020. Google, in a move into banking services, is set to offer checking accounts to consumers starting next year. Under the project called Cash, the technology giant will partner with banks and credit unions to offer the accounts, with the banks handling all financial and compliance activities. Google already offers Google Pay, which has over 67 million monthly users in India. Instagram expands its test to hide like count on posts globally. Instagram has announced that it is extending its test to hide the visibility of the number of likes on posts from some users worldwide. Recently, the Facebook-owned photo-sharing platform had extended its test to the US after having expanded to a few other nations in July. The test had initially started in Canada in April. Amazon to challenge US $10 billion Jedi contract it lost to Microsoft. Amazon revealed it will formally challenge Pentagon's decision to award Microsoft the Jedi defense contract. The cloud contract, worth up to $10 billion over 10 years, will provide infrastructure and platform services for both the Pentagon's business and mission operations. Numerous aspects of Jedi evaluation process contained clear deficiencies, errors and unmistakable bias, AWS said.